Hi all, welcome back to Horilla Technical Series. Today we are going to discuss how to manage header column attributes. Okay, let's begin. Here I have the shift request page. Managing the header attribute means here you can see the header of this column. If you want to add any custom style or custom attributes to the uh, header element, we have an option to add that in our code. For that, let's go to the code, and like row details, we have header details. Header details. This is used to add the attributes to the header element. It is a dictionary which takes the header element as its key and the attributes as its value. Here I am taking employee ID as the key, as the header element, and I am giving style as the parameter or the attributes. Okay, here I have given employee ID as the header element and provided the parameter here. Let's look in the code. Here this is our default width of our column. I have added style to this element. When we refresh this, here you can see the width of the employee column increased to 300 pixels. Like that, we can also add another parameter and another attributes here. Here, let me add on click attribute here. Here, I just give an alert. This is a sample alert here. And now, when we refresh, okay, the server is loading. Okay, when we refresh and click on the button, we can see the alert here. Now, this is we have written this in the single line. If you want to do this in multiple line, because we have two attributes here, if you want to do it in multiple lines, we can break this by giving three quotations here, and you can break the you can do line breaks in the dictionary. Okay, now let's go to code. Wait for that server to reload. Okay, now also we can see this is working. Okay, guys, that's all about managing header attributes. Uh, I hope you understand what we discussed today. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below or reach out to us at support@gorilla.com. Thank you.